Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, reminding you to like this video if you like this video, leave me a comment if you got something to say, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Now let's go. Alright, so in this video, we're going to take a look at how to share a funnel in GrooveFunnels. Another way of saying that would be how to share a site in GroovePages. It's the same thing. So basically, I'm in the funnel/website that I created in the series of tutorials that I made on how to create an affiliate marketing sales funnel. You can check that out. There will be links in the description, and I might even have one floating in the top corner of this video. So this is going to be a pretty short video because it's a really simple process. GrooveFunnels/GroovePages has a really nice feature built into it. I know that ClickFunnels has the same feature, and a lot of I know there's a lot of other funnel builders out there, and probably some of them have it, but it's a really sweet feature, and you can use this as a bonus to give away to people, or you can just give it to friends, or you can even sell them, really. So all that you do is you go to this menu in the top right corner here, open this, and you go to Share Site, and then, so I already have one here, but normally this would just not be here, and it would just say Share Links, and it would have these two buttons, and this would not exist. This disable button wouldn't exist. And basically you can add multiple share links to a funnel, and then you can give them to whoever you want, and you can disable them individually. So if I wanted to add a new one, I would just click on Add, and it pops up. And so now I have two unique share links, and so I can put this one in one place and this one in another place. And then if I want to disable one of them at some point, I can do that easily. So all you have to do is give this link to somebody, and then when they click on it and open it in their browser, it'll open the funnel in their GrooveFunnels account, and it'll automatically load that funnel into their account. So that's it. It's pretty simple. That's how you share a funnel or share a site with GroovePages and GrooveFunnels. If you have any questions, let me know with a comment. And I'll be back soon. I'll catch you in the next video.